Hey, what's up? Sammy here. Today we're going to take a look at yet another very boring phone, the Mi 11. Yes, the reason I'm saying it's boring is because there is definitely not something fancy that you are going to see. Like that rollable phone, the Oppo X 2021. You rub it and it expands, just like my dick. But anyway, let's just unbox and check out what Xiaomi has to offer. But before that, please show some support for my channel by hitting the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. Your support is the real motivation for me to put continuous effort into my videos. Also, don't forget to check out my content partners' channels. All links are down in the description. Without further ado, let's get started. One of the biggest changes in the packaging is, like the iPhone 12, the Mi 11 doesn't include a power adapter in the box for the sake of environmental protection. But hey, Apple, you listen to me and you listen good. Xiaomi is offering a bundle that includes its 55-watt charger at no extra cost and leaves the choice up to its users whether they want it or not. Not like you, sneaky Apple, that offering a new charging cable without a new charger. Your users have to pay for that new charger out of its own pocket. And you say it's for the safety of the environment. I would say it's more for the safety of your own wallet. Sorry guys, I'm just angry. But I'm not an Apple fan, so it's none of my business anyway. The phone is quite light, which weighs 195 grams. Even with the case that Xiaomi offers to us, it only weighs 218 grams. I guess it's fair for the 5G phone. Enough about the boring unboxing part. Now we're getting into the Mi 11 Super AMOLED display, which is one of the biggest upgrades from its predecessors. Xiaomi has gone with a new 6.81-inch AMOLED panel that features a 3200 by 1440 resolution, 120 refresh rate, and a peak brightness of 1500 nits. For context, the outgoing Mi 10T Pro 5G comes with a Full HD panel that maxes out at 90Hz. Just to give you an idea of how vivid and smooth the Mi 11 screen is, check out its video viewing and game testing. Needless to say, they are the best so far I've ever seen.
Music later on, but right now here's the kind I prefer.
Now about the camera. The Mi 11 comes with a 108 megapixel main camera that's attached to an f1.85 aperture lens, a 30 megapixel ultra-wide camera with 123-degree field of view, and a 5 megapixel camera for macro and telephoto shots. Nothing too exciting on the hardware front there, but the Mi 11 supports 8K video capture and has a new nighttime video mode for capturing bright low-light footage.
Okay. Music later on, but right now here's the kind I prefer. Okay.
Faithful and brave.
Of course, one big breakthrough for the Mi 11 is the audio quality. The Mi 11 offers users, if not the best, at least one of the best high-quality sounds, since the specialists of Harman Kardon took part in the creation of the sound system. I would like to play some songs for you, but turns out they have copyright issues, so I suggest you go and check out them from China video platforms. Links are all down in the description. For others, the Mi 11 includes about all the features you would expect from a high-end phone in 2020 or even 2021, like Qualcomm's latest flagship mobile processor, the Snapdragon 888, the most powerful chipset so far, the gigantic 4,600 mAh battery, enough to power you through one day, a 50-watt wireless charging and 10-watt reverse charging. How amazing is that? And in another notable difference, the Mi 11 also features an under-display fingerprint sensor. Alright, that's the video of the Mi 11. What do you guys think about it? Please leave your comment below. For the price and availability, my sponsor Geekman.com will update very soon on its website. Stay subscribed. I'm Sammy, and we'll see you in the next video.
Okay.